In celebration of World Egg Day, I have been challenged to think of all the things I love to make with beautiful Australian eggs.
I mean, what's not to love about eggs? They're tasty, they're nutritious.
But most importantly, they are delicious.
So the challenge is to name as many forms of eggs as possible.
10-second challenge accepted. Start the clock.
Custard, pies, quiche,
Cookies, brownies, cakes.
Leek and Gruyere tart with loads of eggs in it.
Vietnamese egg and pork omelette.
Shakshuka, eggs benedict,
Steamed eggs, Vietnamese steamed eggs.
eggs and basturma, eggs and awarma, kishik with a beautiful poached egg.
Can't have a ramen without a beautiful egg to serve with.
salted egg yolks, amazing. Mini quiches, big quiches, poached. Oh, so many more, so many more. I could keep going.